Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Snapchat filter to existing photos. The first thing you need to do is update your Snapchat app. Go to the App Store or Play Store and on the search bar click over there and search Snapchat. To the right side of Snapchat, it will either say update or open. If it says update, that means your app needs to be updated, and if it says open, that means your app is up to date. Here our app has not been updated, so tap on it. We need to update our app because there must be a new feature that Snapchat has introduced. Let's wait for a minute until the app gets updated. As our app is already updated, now let's tap on open. Once you open it, simply tap on library icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you need to select the photo or video for which you want to add filter. On the right corner of the screen, you can see different icons. Tap on drop down menu. Now you need to swipe left or right to add filters to your video. Once you added the filter to your video, tap on export on the bottom left corner of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you can see different apps through which you can share the video. Swipe left and you can see download icon. Tap on it. Now this is how you add Snapchat filters to existing photos or videos. Thank you for watching.